Okurigera aripota y'akaciko k'ibyesente nereka ku company ya Woodfix Technical Services bashemerire ku bantu bashashura miliyoni 7.7 buri wiki konko bwa hatabasiya wika 3 batari kushashura sente zona za street parking mu kanso.
Tender fees, which is paid at the center, and the contractor uses present receipts.
Even the town clerk of the center went ahead to write that letter of deduction, and the street parking people have paid the whole amount up to zero balance. Honorable House, through Mr. Speaker, twenda tuijuke ngo already harwese yo mushoro engutezi kozwe hato mutakundi enguto zeyonjiye already parking erwa ahanguteze motoka zirozi parking aho instead tukabe twongeraho no kongeraho.
Ahantu ho Speaker Godfrey Tumusime ashabire Division Town Clerk Didas Muhanguzi okugambira kanso yabayine ecyari kumanya akushariraho center ba Woodfix.
Maybe they paid between the up to date. So can I have information from Mr. Clerk elaborating more about this, the clerk actually?
I have received a letter from the contractor actually thanking the city clerk for the deduction. And when I received that letter, I think I received it about 2 days ago.
We are gambling, we are also complaining in our offices. That's why we wrote to the town clerk so that we get an official communication.
Mbarara Street, aho tukuluza parking, double parking at street edge, aho special hire is parking at double. Mr. Speaker, echinyangaliza abashubuzi, aho bono oshanga n'emyanya ebizabu, abo abacustomers babo oshanga boda
Nabwanyuma ya kanso ba kansara bajumirire motoka ense ikanse guzire emazireho miliyoni 200.
Mnoga nakari bweni yaza kugita mu kisumuruzo agigure yaheza ashitamemu ajasiye.
Omugandi abebembezo mu rurembo rwa Mbarara bajumirire bikorwa by'ubushomanguzi bwa sente z'imishoro oburengeserizo mbakozi ba Mbarara City North Division.
I got worried when I heard that some GSOs were involved in nasty incidents. I also heard from the council of the division that there are some officers who are busy collecting money for illegal structures and allowing people, giving them lease of life to build and do what?
Please, obutubeto bache tukozere. Obutubeto bache. Obutubeto bache tukozere ebyo bintu kugamba. Imwe tumukatire omukono mahangu. Betu kwajiraho. Gumisereza cyabwisho meya wa Mbarara City North Division nagira ngutine muntu oshemerire kwa esente z'umushoro umukozi wa kanso wena ngo bite sente zona zine kushashorwa mu banka
kwereza umushoro kine mukozi wa kanso ningo muntu wena wa public asime kwana kusaba sente ukamuhereza sente cash esente zona abwa system ya city hamwe na ministry mbahereza abantu eziba kuyita PRN numbers kugira ngo bakujya ngo umusoro gweduka twaro oza account kandi hati tukafuna chance buri town yona aha mobile money no sashura ho umusoro gwawe
abasoro b'umusoro biza kuronda aho gukorera kuyo musoro konka nani basaba kugira ngo waza kuyaka ahantu kantu okuyamba banzo uyamba umwanya wo
security aha local level ahinizira harabituragisente nyicyo ijo harabituragisente umunyarubango koko ibyo bitugamba abantu batakakorana nabyo mu maju.
Aha mukorogo Mbarara City North Division yatongoza imodoka eyeguzire miliyoni 200 ha sente zo mushoro. Aha bwa TV West ndi Elias Ritugusa na Adolphe Yureka.